Hello, welcome back once again. This is part 5. Okay, so this time we're going to look at how to integrate or how to link our Hestia Control Panel to WHMCS so that you'll be able to manage your web hosting. Okay, because we want everything to be automatic. Okay, we want to automate everything so that when a customer buy a package, automatically it will provision everything, it will manage the domain and everything. WHMCS, in fact, when it comes to managing web hosting, is a good billing system which can manage your web hosting server for you. So we have in our last video we learned about how to install that, and today, if you're watching me right now, this is part 5. I think this will be the end of the video, unless if there's some question that you need answer to it, or there's something that you need me to work on that, then I will make a video on that part. For now, this is the end of the video, so watch out, make sure you complete the video. I will leave the playlist of the entire video below this link. Okay, I will leave the playlist below this video. So if you're watching me for the first time, then I would advise you to just check the playlist and start from the beginning. Okay, good. So now, as I said, let us continue. So the first one, we are going to link our Hestia to WHMCS. So first, let's get the WHMCS. Let's get our Hestia module. That is going to help us to do the work. Okay. Yes, a friend of mine wrote this. In fact, he has done well. In fact, when I wanted to start this web hosting business, I wanted to use Hestia because it's free forever. You don't have to pay anything as compared to Cpanel that you pay a huge amount of money for. In fact, it's too much. The price of Cpanel is too much. In fact, I don't know how. I don't want to go into that anymore. I've already mentioned that in my previous video. So I wanted to use Hestia, but in fact, I searched internet trying to get a video on how to use Hestia and WHMCS or any other billing system, and there was nothing like that. So this friend of mine, he's from Nigeria. He wrote this Hestia module, which is going to help us to do that. So let me take you to his where we can get this module to download. Okay, so let's go to host. Just enter crowdhost.gh.com. then you bring /Hestia CP. Okay, so the link is below this video. Then you click enter. It will take you to where we need to download this most important. In fact, his name is Joseph. Okay, he wrote this. Okay, in fact, he has done well. Wherever you are, Joseph, you have done well. Okay, so let's move on. So we are going to download it from here. We are not going to waste time here. So straight away, we will just come back here. Let's see. We will come back here and click here and download it. Okay, so I'll click here and download is ongoing. Good, it is done. It's just a small file, so I will go inside my downloads. Inside my downloads, I will drag it and put it inside this folder. Okay, good. So this is what we need in order to do that. So I will then unzip it. So I will extract here, click extract here, and this we have it inside here. Okay, good. This is what we are going to do. So first, I will put all of this in a folder. Okay, so I will name a folder Hestia, just Hestia. So let me create a new folder and I will name it Hestia. Good. After that, I will copy all of them and put it inside. Okay, I will not drag it. I will copy and I will copy it and paste because I don't want to move everything. Okay, good. So we still have it here. And this one, I will zip it. So I'll come to, if you're using Windows, come to sign, compress, so that, and we have it here. Okay, so we are going to import this one into our file manager. Okay, inside the WHMCS. Okay, that's the subdomain. Okay, good. So to do that, let's come back here. Let's go to our Cpanel first. Okay, so I will go to the cPanel. So let me go to the cloud host and go to login. So I have to enter my password. Okay, so let me click here and login and click login. Okay, so I will locate the account. Okay, so this account, I'll click here, go to login to cPanel. After that, let me close this. I don't need this anymore. So I'll come here, go to File Manager. So inside the File Manager, let's locate the subdomain. And here we will go to here, this folder, modules. Okay, then we are going to add, then after that, server, sorry. So let's locate servers. Good. So we are going to add our Hestia module here. Okay. So I will click upload. Then let me select that. And I'm going to drop this zip file here. After that, I will click close. Then go down here and unzip it or decompose it. After that, I need to delete it. I don't need it anymore because I now have the folder here. Let me locate it. So I have the folder here. Good. Okay. This is the folder. So we are done. Okay. So now let's log into our Hestia Control Panel. So here I can decide to close this and that for now. So let's log into Hestia Control Panel. So let me go to Hestia. So the host name is Cpanel. Cpanel.cloudhostghana.xyz. That is port 2083. Enter. Okay, good. So the username is admin. And next. Okay, then I will just get my password from here and paste it here. Then click login. Why? Username is admin. Okay, next. So pasting the password, be careful, make sure that there is no space in front and at the back. If there is a space, you won't be able to log in. Okay, so I'm here. Good. I have this account. Let me delete this one so that I will only have admin account here. Okay, good. So only one account, that's administrator account. So first, let's do some basic settings here. We want to create a package. To create a package, create packages. Now, as you can see, I have one package here. I can add another package, and let's say the package name is the first one is basic, right? The second one can be, let's say, business. Okay. Why the spelling is wrong? No. Okay. There is no business. Okay. So that's business, and we will make it, let's say, around 2 gig. So that is 2 gig. 2 gig. Let me leave everything as default. Let's go to DNS here. Here, if you are creating a new package, always you have to add the name servers to the package. It's very important. So ns1.cloudhost Ghana.xyz. Okay. Anytime you are creating a new package, you have to add the name servers. Okay. So I will delete this and add that. Okay. So after that, I will just leave everything as default and click save. Good. Now let's go to here we are going to look at the README just to get information on how to go about it. I think we have it here. Okay, good. First, it says that your WHMCS server must be open to your Hestia CPU server port 8083. If you have watched the part 4 video, you see, that is the installation of the Hestia. We did not use this port. We actually use 2083. If you are using cloud host uh, for hosting your WHMCS, then you don't need to worry because 2083 is already open. Okay, that port is already open. But I don't know, but wherever you are hosting, if you are using Cpanel to definitely that port too is open. But in case you are getting error, you have to reach out to the company to let them open the port for you. Okay, then it says that we should go to, after we are done with that, because this one is already, we have already solved that. So let's go to, it says we should go to the server settings, security system in your Hestia panel. So let's go to Hestia panel to go to those settings. Let's click on the settings here. Then you click on configure. Then you see security, click that, and system, click that, and let's see what is there. So what they are saying is at that place we should enable API access. We should make it enable for all users. Okay, so we should do that, and I think I've done that already. You only see enable for admin, but make sure you select all users. Good. And the next one says what? Legacy, enable legacy API access. And that's we are supposed to select what? No. So it was at yes was the default one, so make sure you select no. And the next one, allow IP addresses for API. This one, what they are saying is we should enter this 0.0.0.0. Okay, and I've done that 0.0.0.0. Okay, good. And you can see that I've also opened, this one is not part of the instruction here, but I've also opened the cloud, that's the cloud host IP here. Okay, I've opened the cloud host IP, so wherever you are hosting your WHMCS, make sure the IP, you have to open the IP here, just add it under this one, just open the IP. Okay, it's not part of the instruction, but it may be good. Okay, so login screen star. I want to use the old star. That one will comes with that is, it will show you the username and the password. It won't be only the username. Then after clicking that, it will take you to this. No. So I prefer the old one, this old system. Okay, the rest of the settings is okay. These are the most important thing that we need to do. After that, click save, and we are done. We have created a package and we have also done that. So right now we are going to link. We are now going to link the Hestia to the WHMCS. So let's go inside the WHMCS. Now let's see if the instruction is there. Okay, it's level with one. I will drag this and put it here and bring the WHMCS here. So in order to link, we have to go to settings, go to system settings, and here select enter server. Okay, click on that, and you see we don't have any server here, so we are going to add new server, and this time we are going to select Hestia. You see Hestia CP. Good. And we are going to add the host name or IP. I prefer the host name, so I'll come here and copy the host name. Good. I'll copy that and paste it here. Make sure you remove this one there, HTTPS, we don't need that, and this slash, we don't also need that. And here is username, that is your server, Hestia server username. That's what you enter here, and that is admin. Okay, and then the password, as the Hestia server password. So we will copy the password and paste it here. make sure there is no space. Okay, good. And access hash, we need to add that. How do we do that? Let's come back here. So here it says that we have done all this, and this one we need to create access key and secret key. We can do that at our Hestia dashboard. Let me go to the main dashboard. Then here, if you are at the main dashboard, just go to click on the user icon here, admin icon here. Click on that, and you see access key. Okay, access key. So just click on access key. I already have one here. Let me delete it. So I'm going to create a new one, add access key, and select all of them. Just check everything here, and we will name it as WHMCS. Save, and after that we have access key and secret key. So we will copy access key here. Okay, so we are going to enter that. So I will copy the access key here. Well, according to him, we are to enter access key, column, then secret key. Okay, good. So let's come back here. So we will paste access key here, then we bring column, then we will then copy the secret key, then we add that. So it's access key, column, secret key. Then you click. After that, come back here. Okay, so we are done. You can just leave that. Okay, and it has been saved. Come back here and click next or continue. So here you give it a name. This server a name. So that is Royal Host 01. Okay, and this is a host name, the IP address. Okay, so this IP address is the server IP. Okay, this IP. So let's go to web and we will see the IP here. So copy the IP and come back here and paste it here. Good. And here is okay, monthly cost. So here you can enter the monthly cost of your VPS or your setup. The cost involved for setting up the server. Okay, you can enter that. Let's say it's just $20. Data center. I mean, you can just write the data center of your server. The rest is okay. So we are going to enter our name server here. So the name server is ns1.cloudhostghana is cloudhostghana.xyz. That's our name server, right? So we are going to enter them here. ns2 then you add that, and here will be our IP. So I will copy the IP and paste it here. That is your Hestia server IP or your hosting server IP. The rest is okay. This one we are not using this port, so we will check this and enter our port, that is 2083 there. Okay, good, and we are done. Okay, so I will click save and successful. So far so good. We have linked our Hestia to the WHMCS. We are now going to test that. Okay, we are going to see if provision will work, or after that we will buy a package and see if automatically it will provision everything will be done automatically. So in order to do that, we need to first create a package. Okay, so let me come back here and click settings, system settings, and select and search for products, and we will click here. Good. So we will first create a group. A group is like having, when you go to other platform, web hosting companies, or even cloud hosts. Let me take you to cloud hosts. You will see that we have different packages. So we have like share hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting. That is the group. Okay, that's all about the group. So we will come back here and close that. So create a new group, and this group we are going to call this one share hosting, and we can just enter, select your perfect plan, 30 days money back guarantee if you like. and the rest is okay. The variable payment gateway now is made in pay. Let's save that. So we have created a group. Okay, let's go back here. If you want to create another group like WordPress or reseller package, we can do that. But we just want to create a package and test the whole thing. So we go to create a new product. And here, as you can see, our package, let's go to users here. The package name that we have already created now is basic and business. Okay. So we are going to create the same package. I'm going to create the business package. So I will select the share hosting because that's the only group that we have here. And then the package name is business. Make sure you enter the same name as you have on the Hestia. Okay. Business, and the module we will select Hestia here. We will uncheck that, and after that we can just click. Okay, it's still loading, so let's wait. Okay, and click continue. Okay, so we are here, and let me go down and see. Okay, so required domain is checked, it's okay. So here we can just enter with our 30 days money back, blah 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 blah. You can add your package here, description. For instance, clients .cloudhost, or let me go to cloudhost.com, and I just want to copy some of the text over there. So let me go to package or services, and here, so okay, so let me go to the new one. I just want to copy some of the package. Okay, so let me log out. Okay, so let me come back here. Good. So I'm going to copy one of them. So let's say I want to use this one. So I can just copy that. Let me close. So I will paste that here. Good. Let me expand that. Okay, so bandwidth. Okay, good. 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 So right now, that's what I'm going to do. I will add this code to the end of each so that it will break it. I don't know if you know about this CSS. Okay, so I'm not here to talk about CSS, so I will go straight and do it. So just add this one here. Okay, so this is my package description. I just want to make the whole thing look nice. And the package price, let me make it free because this one is for just testing purpose. So I don't want to change that. And here you have to select that, and you select make sure Hestia has been selected already. Leave that. And the package name, the default has been selected. We have to enter the same package name, that is business. Okay, the same package name, business. Okay, it's supposed to be the same thing. If it's capital letters throughout, make sure you make it capital letters. And then the IP, I will enter the IP here of package IP. This one, so server IP, I'll enter that here. Good, the rest is okay. So that is automatically set up the product as soon as the order is placed. I want to select this because this is for testing, but for production, the first payment is received. So for production, make sure you select this one. But for testing, I want to go with this one. And the rest is okay. So I will click save. And it is done now. Now I'm going to buy a package here as a user, okay? And see how it works, okay? Good. So first, let me go click here. I will open this in a new tab, and I will click clients.cloudhost.online, okay? .online. So enter. So I'm going to buy a package from here as a user or a customer. So let me come back here and select share hosting. And this is the package name. You can see this new order is 00. And I will go with existing domain. So I'm going to use this one, the domain on my server. Okay, this one that is here, this domain. I'm going to use this domain. Let me go to admin. So I'm going to use the main domain, this one. That is cloud, not this cloud host Ghana.xyz. I'm going to use that. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I want to use that one. So I will use that. So let me go to the new tab here and enter that. So I'm using existing domain. So I will add that. Sorry. I'll add that and remove the XYZ from here and enter it here, the XYZ here, and click use. Okay, so now I'm here. I can go to checkout 00. I don't have to pay. My name is Enesa Malcolm. I've added all the details. My number has been added already. Address, everything is okay. So I have to state Ashanti postcode 00233. Password. I will enter my password here, right? Good. So I will use the same password, this password. So let me copy this and I'll paste that here and I'll paste it here. So right now I can, let me make sure that everything is okay. So I've entered all the necessary, the email. I will not go with this email. Okay. So that email is okay. So let me go with that. Okay. info@reader.com. Okay. So the rest is okay. So I will go to place order. As you can see, it's successful. Okay. It's successful. This is my order number. I can go to client area to see the services that I've paid for. When I click here, then I can see this. I can click here and I can see login to control panel. But this one, they will send my username is here, but the password will be sent to me on my email. Okay. Yes, I don't want to go through that process. But Hestia, you'll be able to log in automatic. Okay. You when you click login to see, control panel, it won't work. Okay, so I need to solve this issue. This is a problem. But before, we need to make sure that first, let's find out if the account has been created for this user. Okay, let's first check that. So I will come here, go to my server here. Let me refresh that or click users. And now we have a new user. And you can see this is the domain. Okay, my name, everything I have created, and the account is business. Okay, that's what I selected, right? The package is business. I've created that. Okay, now let's look at how to resolve this issue, which that is when you are trying to click here. It says good. It is giving out this error. They are saying we should run this command. So just copy this command. Just copy the whole of this. Okay. Copy this. Okay. Copy that and run it as a root user. Okay. If you want us, I don't want to go through the process because I have to access my VPS account and do that. But just run this. If you want to see that, just leave a comment. Please, as I said, just share the video for others to also benefit from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Now we have successfully added our package, so you can see that it is here. I can decide to click here to log into the user account. So I'm here as a user. If I want to visit the site, I can click here and I can see we are working on it. I have to first install my software or add my website before this will disappear. I can activate the SS certificate for free. I can just click here, the pencil icon. If I want to activate the SS certificate, enable SS for this domain, I can select all of them. Sorry, I can select all of them. Just select all of them. Okay, after selecting this, then you select all of them. Then you click save. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, so let me do that again. Select that and select all of them and click save again. Okay, so now it's successful. I can come here, refresh the page, and I will see the SS certificate. And if you want to install WordPress or your software, if you are, I'm now here as a user, not administrator. Okay, good. I can just come back here and click on the pencil icon, and I will see quick install app. When you click on that, you can install any of these apps that is for free. WordPress is here. I will not go through the process of installing the application. Everything is cool here. You can just install it. If you want to use if you want to access File Manager, this is your File Manager. You can just click that and access the File Manager. This is my File Manager here. Okay, so this is my File Manager. Okay, good. I can click here to access where the domain is. Everything is good. Let me exit to the Cpanel. Good. And so it's easy to use. Now, please feel free and leave a comment in case if you want additional video based on this one. Just leave a comment. Okay, we are done. This is the end of the tutorial. That is the series, how to start your own web hosting business from home. Okay, this is the video. You need to start making money. Okay, I've been making money, and I think you need to also do the same. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.